guys, it's the Spooky Cat Lady, and right now we're leaving Halifax, Canada. And if you'd like to see what we did while we were in Halifax, just watch our previous video and you can see everything that we did. We didn't have any excursions because we didn't find out we were going to Canada until less than 24 hours before we were getting on the boat. So yeah, so we decided to just run around. We had been there before, and so we knew that that whole harbor walk area was there, and we also went to Tim Hortons and a grocery store. Should we? You think we should not be here? They're rolling over us. Maybe they're just going back to where they were. Rope 'em in. Doing the ropes, doing the ropes. They look looser. Pookie just won that. Yay, Pookie. He's trying to win. So it's possible, but it might cost a lot. These are cool. You can just swipe your C-Pass and it does a room charge. But you swipe this part, not this strip. This part is for playing games. Cool.
One more try.
It's $2 to play. Oh. Well, did you get it? That's close, but no. This is the game room on Adventure of the Seas. Just in case you're interested in what games there are inside, we're just going to walk around and I'm going to show you everything that's there. Of course, they may switch them out. Who knows? You never know what they're going to do. I would say that sometimes things didn't work. Like, none of the ticket games seemed to work while we were in there. We never got any of our tickets. Hopefully they'll get that fixed, but during our cruise, it did not work. You can also see specials on the website before you go on the cruise, where you get like 20% off if you buy a card before you go. But on the boat, you'll be paying full price. And they can be a little expensive, like the game you saw us playing, it was $2. But yeah, here's everything that you get to play. And you just use your C-Pass. You don't use the black strip. You use the thing that looks like a QR code. You swipe it, and it will charge it directly to your room. Very easy. But like I said, some of the stuff did not work. So be warned, but it is still fun. You know what I'd like to see? A round 1 on a cruise boat. That would be awesome.
Deck 11.
Go on, tip the boat.
Hey, you know what it is? Cookie won this ducky. He's a lucky ducky.
Deck 8.
Hey, I'm on my balcony. We're sailing out of Halifax now. So I thought I'd do a Halifax haul, show you everything I got while we were there. Technically, these two things came from the ship because we won them. And then Zach won a Lucky Ducky. Lucky Ducky. And I bought this guy at a store. He's cool because his eyes light up. And then we got these from the lobster place. Got a new book. Ghost Stories of Nova Scotia. Did find some ketchup chips. Got a t-shirt for Tim Hortons. The rest is candy, so I'm not gonna take it all out. We got a whole bunch of candy in there. Kinder Eggs, Kit Kat. Real Kinder Eggs, that is. Not those fake ones we get in America. And I got a necklace that's pretty cool. So I will wear that later and I will show that off then. But that's all we bought in Halifax. So we're going to St. John tomorrow. And I also got this lovely sunburn. We're at Giovanni and he said this is our butter. That is the bread. We ate half of it though. And we got the cheese and the meat. Zach already ate the meat part. My chocolate martini has arrived. Yay! He's gonna surprise us with some pasta. Some random pasta. Look at this dish. Pretty. It's ahi tuna. Zach, he got pork belly. I'm sure to him that looks pretty too, but I don't consider that pretty. But I bet it tastes good. I got shrimpies. Look at that. And we got this extra. It has an egg in the middle. And Zach got a filet. I already had a filet, so I didn't want to get another one. Oh, the end of Giovanni's, a tiramisu. I just hope I can eat it all, because even though the portions were small, for some reason I'm still horribly stuffed. But it was all good. Oh no, the fog is coming back. Somewhere something's making noise.
Ice cream truck.
It sounds like an ice cream truck. The fog. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.